Kurt from Grand Purpose Piano. I'm working on a Henry F. Miller from the 1800s, I believe. This piano is pretty cool. Now these dampers are the type that screw into this mechanism. So this screw-in method, although it might have been good back in the 1800s, nowadays it's really makes it very difficult to work with because a lot of these flanges are broken. So what I need to do is I need to modify it. So the damper wire hole has been cut. Now I have to find the location to put the insert. So now that I have all of the flanges that I fixed and they're ready to go, now I have to go ahead and start to repair the old mechanism itself. So now I'm going through the laborious task of lining everything up, making sure everything is nice and straight in the front, going through and just modifying the parts. So this way when I do start putting in all the brand new flanges, everything is going to work just fine.